and the topic is today. The topic is about sentimental analysis on Twitter data on different reactions and relating the punctuations from the given words and forming an image of Twitter using the words. So at starting, I have imported the pandas and I have imported the NLTKs and tokenizers for building up my project. So first, and I'm going to implement this in the Google Colab, and so we as I said, we have for that we have imported the libraries like pandas and regular expressions like string NLTK, and here I have imported the data set which is given by my faculty, and after giving the data, I have seen the data of the complete data of the data set by using the data command, and then I have imported all the libraries as I said before, and I have used Keras. That way, and after this I have downloaded the dataset of only three rows ID, label, and the tweet, which contains only 3 rows, the ID number and its label. 0 may there will be only 2, 0 and 1, which is true or true or false, and this is a tweet. And then coming to next command, I have used data group by label. Here I have used only label row to count how many ID words and tweets are there, and next I have used the data types to see, and after that in that I have used the data from the tweet fifth one, and after that I have plotted the data. Here you can see which is negative and which is positive, and here after this so this is like one of the view, like fifth row, and this is the distribution of positives and negative sentiment comments, and after this negative one, here we can see negative one is very low and positive one is very high. So after deleting this, the data set view will be like this, and which will we reprocess the data before we'll feed it to the tokenizer, and then coming to next, we have sending each tweet to this function, and where it will remove the URL. So it will remove all the hashes here from the Twitter data, and it will remove the punctuations, everything where it has given in the data, and after that we have cleaned the data into XList, and we have performed all the operations processing the was input tweet which we are taking as input, and we have also removed the stop words from this by using all these commands, and file like y will be helpful as our classifiers, and coming to next command, this is just like a print statement, like how many number of training samples are we have, like testing samples we have, and then coming to sentiment, as we have used like a 0 and 1, and we have used the model like a decision tree model, to classify the data, and then by using this sequential, we have kept everything in the sequential, and after this we have done the process of printing the history of loss and accuracy data. After that we have plotted the graph of epoch between accuracy between train and validation. This is the final output which we will get, based on the sentimental analysis, how the Twitter data is classified, whether the negative or it is positive. So using this, I have built this project.